Hi, do you know that you can control your business from anywhere in the world? Knowing very sure that you can travel and still be in control of your business. You can be away from your business and still be in control of your business. Welcome to iNox Digital. My name is Isaac. Let me walk you through today on our POS software that is suitable for pharmacy, suitable for retail, wholesale, supermarket, hardware companies. Now, on our POS software, you're able to see your total sales for the day. You're able to see your net profit for the day. You're able to see your invoice due. And then you're able to see your purchases due. If there's a sale return or a purchase return, you're able to see how many sales were returned and how many purchases were returned. On the dashboard, you're able to see the demographics of how your business is doing. And then you can also see your current financial year. And then you can also see your sale payment due, those who are owing you, how much they are owing you, when it is due, and all of that. Product stock alert, you're able to tell which of your products are running out of stock, and then you need to restock. It is a comprehensive POS software that helps you manage your business wherever you are in the world. Now, over here at the user management, you can add users and control them such that a salesperson will have what you would want him to see, and so he will not be able to see all of that. At the contact level, you can have your suppliers, and then you can also have your customers. So you can add your suppliers, all the companies that supplies you. You can add them over here, and then with time, you will be able to tell which of your suppliers do you owe. Which of your suppliers do you owe? So when you take a supplier like this, for example, you go to the ledger, you are able to see all the purchases you've made from this supplier. You can see how much money you owe him and how much you've paid him and when is the date due and all of that. You can see all the products that you've purchased from that particular client. Then when you go to the product, when you go to list product, you're able to see all the product that are listed on your POS, whether it's a pharmacy, whether it's a supermarket, a warehouse, any other business that deals in purchasing and supply or purchasing and sales. Our system is able to help you. When you go to the purchase option, you are able to list your purchases. You're able to add all the items that you have bought from your suppliers. You can see all of that over here. Then when you go to sales, the system also allows you to add your expenses. So whatever expenses that you are incurring, you can have your expense heads. So you can have all your expenditure heads over here, like your IT and equipment, furniture and fittings. You can have your tithe. Okay, you can have your staff bonus allowance. So you can have all your expense heads, and anytime an expenditure is made, you can add it over there. And we also have the payment. There's an integrated accounting model where you can have the list of your accounts, you can have your balance sheet, you can have your trial balance. It gives you a comprehensive detail of your business. So no matter where you are able to see what is happening on your business. Then at the report section, there is detailed report analysis over here. It gives you your profit and loss. You're able to see all your profit and loss. You can select the date, filter the date, and then you can see how much you have made as profit in a day, in a week, in a month, and all of that. Purchase and sales, you can see your tax report, you can see your supplier and customer report, you can see your stock report. The stock report gives you a total worth of goods that you have in your shop. So for example, in our demo account, we have a 403,000, and then when we sell, we are selling at 568,000. It gives you your profit margin 29% on your gross, and then you're able to see all of that. At the activity report, activity log, you're able to see who has logged in and who did what in your system. So whether you are away or you are there, you can always tell who did a particular transaction or who did a particular transaction in your system. All right. Then we also have, aside the report, we also have the stock adjustment. So you're able to adjust your stock. Right. You are able to adjust your stock, compare your system report to the physical report. Then also, if you have multiple multiple locations, you're able to transfer your stock from one shop to the other, and then you are able to see in real time that those transfers takes effect. If you want to make sale, you go to POS and then you are able to select any product. You can have your categories. So the categories, you can have hardware. If you want to see only hardware, you can see only hardware. If you want to see plumbing materials, you can see only plumbing materials. So you are able to select the product that you want to sell. At the end of the day, you are able to, when you close your sales, you are able to see the total sales that you have made for the day. You can see the total amount and total worth of goods, total credit, total mobile money payment, total cash payment, and then you can see the detailed report of the items that were sold. So it gives you item by item report of the items that you have sold for the day. So this is Inox Digital. You can get to us anytime you're ready. We are ready to assist you. We are ready to share a demo with you. And then in this month of March, we are giving you a half price. You didn't hear that. I said we're giving you a half price for the month of March because it's Ghana month. We are giving you half the price. So you're only paying for 1,500 cedis for the setup and integration plus training for a whole year. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. So take advantage of this great offer. It's 1,500 cedis for the month of March. For only the month of March, we're giving you 50% discount. 50% discount. There is no hidden charges. There is no other thing. So you pay 1,500 for a year, and then you renew annually. So take advantage of this. We also have several other softwares like school management software, church management software. We have restaurant management software, hotel management software, and then a lot. So any of the software that you are looking for, our numbers are on the screen. You can just take a number and then send us a WhatsApp, and then we'll be at your service. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.